Hey everyone, welcome back to Sundance Equestrian Ranch, and we decided to take on a task. Well, I decided to take on a task, and my man's trying to help me build a really janky shed off of Amazon. And I say janky because this stuff is like pain in our butts. Cheap material. I am not satisfied, but it is what it is. And I'm gonna make it work because I want to store hay up front for all the horses that are up front. So that's our goal, and hopefully we can make it work. We ended up doing the frame yesterday, and I put the walls up last night because I just couldn't wait, and with the wind blowing it was really unstable. So I did that till about midnight, and I am very tired.
And you think this is the way this goes.
Update on the building. Look at it! It's not all wobbly as much. It's still a pain in the butt to put together. The screws are itty bitty little tiny screws. Like, look at this. Look at this little tiny screw. So many itty bitty little screws, and the nuts and bolts are just as small, and they hurt my hands. Look at these little tiny itty bitty little things. Look at these. Look at that. Talk about your hands killing you by the end of the project. But we're finally getting the roof on, so here we go.
I think it goes like this.
Yeah. There's a storm coming, and we kind of gave up on the shelter for a minute, for a few days. Now it's time to start. He's trying to figure out the door. I'm trying to figure out the roof. The wind's blowing the shed all around. It's not sturdy at all. Walls are bowing. I gotta get the roof done before I can even start the wood framing. And rain is coming in literally 2 days, but it's okay. I only got a small amount of hay out here, and I have a tarp to cover it, so I'm not gonna be tripping that bad, but I still want to get my little shed done. So Riley, where's your babies? Where's your babies? She's like, Mama's on a break.
Hey, Greg. You just lost your phone.
Riley!
It wasn't Riley.
She took the toy! I had the toy propped up behind the phone, and my dog stole the toy. Let's try this again. I need your toy. Leave it alone. I'm using my son's bumper and my dog's toy. Hopefully the phone will stay there. No, Riley, no. No. Leave a toy. Riley. No. Walk away. And there it goes. That's not gonna work. Look at my poor shed. All right. And I'll just prop it here.
Should I moon it?
Here. Should you moon it?
This is for the viewers. Fat man in the World Cup.
That's good, right?
Look at 24 and 24.
See, the holes don't even light up on this.
Yeah, this is backwards too. Good job, guys. I'm not the one that bought it. Your mom was. I would have bought that good one.
I lost it.
And we're limited on screws, and she's just throwing them wherever she wants. There's a bolt there. Yeah, I'm gonna put that pin in my axle now, because I didn't have one.
I'm serious about you ordering the tools that you need. I don't
how was I supposed to know? I asked her you dropped something, so I came over to pick you up. Pick it up.
That's nice.
What do you think?
Yeah. Oh, cute little window.
So, I'm gonna put my, cotter pin in now.
Are you just lagging those things anywhere?
Yeah. Why not?
I was waiting for it to get strengthened, but apparently not.
I hope you enjoyed watching me put on the entire roof. I ended up having to completely take it apart again and redo it all. So I didn't film that part because it was already dark. I literally did it in the dark, but I had to take it all apart because I actually put it on wrong and didn't figure it out until I got to the back half. So that was fun. So, I got the roof done. It's coming along. You know, now that it's up, and I'm gonna put a wood frame inside of it with some plywood, this would actually make a really good shelter for a mini. Like, this is a good size for a mini or a Shetland. Definitely. But it's gonna be my little hay storage. So if the door's a pain in the ass, I might even leave the door off and just leave it like this. But I'm gonna try to put the door on. That's the next task. But the roof is on. The roof is on fire. Not this one, because it's metal. Very cheaply made metal. Okay, so my man put gravel in. He leveled the ground out.
Yes.
Put gravel in. So that will be nice. And now we're gonna do the wood frame on the inside. And I got some, what's that? It's not plywood, it's the other type. OSB boards, because they were way cheaper. And plus they're inside, so I won't have to worry about them getting damaged by rainwater so much. So we're gonna get started on this project now. So I measured the wall, and it's not even 10 foot, it's 9 foot 7 inches. So you can cut now, my love. The man's doing the heavy lifting part.
Yeah, 2x4.
Don't cut your leg. Yay! Now let's stick her in there. It doesn't matter.
It's busted.
Well, you know what? It's mostly...
Busted right
well, it is busted.
like literally, look, it's like a loose tooth.
It's right on the knot.
Yeah, right here all the way across.
Damn it.
I would put it in this way, and it should hold it. It should hold it all together with.
As long as it holds up my Amazon shed.
It should. We don't live in Florida with high winds, so.
We live in Happy Valley where there's high winds. Perfect. Now we'll measure these.
You're gonna cut one that way too, right? We're gonna make one all the way across.
Yeah, but that one's gonna be laying down somehow, so we don't trip over it so much.
I would do one right here, just like those ones.
Yeah.
Just strengthen everything up and hold it.
Can you help me do this?
And you know what you could do?
Can
You could buy the exact amount of these, or what?
Of what?
Of those?
I'm hoping. Can you
Well,
help me?
because I was actually thinking you could take one of these on both sides and screw them into here, and it'll strengthen that throat part.
Oh.
You see what I mean?
Well, I can always
it'll
pick up
hold
an
it.
extra one from Ace.
Well, you'd have to pick up 2 because you got to do one on each side,
Okay.
and
I
it'll
can do
hold
that.
it together.
I got those at Home Depot, but I can go to Ace and get that.
That's what I would do. Then you don't have to worry about the bread.
Here. Prop that piece of wood up. Nine, 10. 9, 10. Come here. Okay, I need to ditch this camera. It's in the barn.
That's hot out here.
It does feel really nice. That's a split too, but it is what it is.
Split's fine. It's just that one has a break in it.
They're free pieces of wood, so from my dad. Beggars can't be choosers. Right there. Can you figure that out?
Yeah, I can figure it out. I need you to make a line.
Okay. Got this.
I've played with these before. It's a power
You can
tool.
figure out my squiggly lines.
Yeah, I'll just go like this.
My squiggly lines.
What?
One of the braces is up. All right. Now to finish the rest.
5 foot.
Update. I should have bought a couple more of those. Oops. I had a plan in my head and then came home and decided to change it. So it's usually what I do. So back to the hardware store I go tomorrow. Oh yeah. One wall done. 2 walls left. So we got the walls up in the little shed. All I have to do is finish this little piece tonight. But there it is. Not bad, right? So the shed itself cost me about $364 on Amazon, and then about $150 worth of the particle board and the brackets, and all the wood my dad gave me, and a bunch of wood that he took out for something. I can't really remember. I want to say it was his old deck, but he ended up getting all this old wood from somewhere and he gave it to me, so I've been putting it to use all over the place. So yeah, the shed is now about, I'd say about 500 bucks. And I think it would actually make a really good little mini pony or Shetland pony or goat structure, like a shelter. If you needed to go cheap but wanted something nice looking, it would definitely work out as a little shelter. But we'll know how it lasts through the winter. Well, there it is, everyone. My new little hay barn for the horses up front. Now I just need to do the door, but at least since it's gonna rain today, at least my hay is put away and I can work on the door later. But at least it's all nice, it'll stay nice and dry. Well, it's raining and it's nice and dry in here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video today. Like and subscribe, hit that notification button, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye!